Someone recently left a comment in my video asking about a friend who is always scared and worried that people are after him. So today, I want to talk about psychosis. Psychosis is a mental health condition where a person loses touch with reality. They may hear or see things that are not there. And these are some of the causes of psychosis: poor sleep, extreme stress, trauma, drug and alcohol misuse, some medical health conditions, as well as mental illnesses like schizophrenia and bipolar. And what are the signs to look out for? Hallucination, isolating oneself, paranoia, disordered thoughts or speech. If any of this sounds familiar, please don't ignore it. Psychosis is treatable, and with the right support, people do get better.